In today's video, we'll talk about why your Blink camera is flashing red and how to fix it. If your camera is blinking red, it likely indicates a loss of internet connection. To reconnect your camera to the internet, open the Blink app on your phone and select Settings. Click on System and tap your camera name. Choose your sync module, select Change Wi-Fi network, and after the blue light flashes, tap Discover Devices, select Join, choose your Wi-Fi network, and enter your password. Another possible reason for the red flashing light is battery-related issues. The flashing red light may indicate a problem with the batteries. To avoid battery failure, check how frequently you change the batteries and ensure you are using AA lithium non-rechargeable batteries. Make sure the batteries are aligned correctly. If the blinking persists, there might be motion detection issues. To address this, clean the motion detection sensors and then disable and enable the motion detection sensors using the Blink app. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.